Hey folks, welcome to Software Testing Hacks. This video we will learn about method overriding in Java. Previous video we had learned about method overloading. If you have not watched that video, please do watch that video. And yeah, before we begin, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel and let's begin. As in the previous video, we saw about method overloading. So, what is the difference between method overloading and method overriding? Both these are part of polymorphism. Method overloading is also known as compile time polymorphism, and method overriding is also known as runtime polymorphism. In here, to define this method overloading or method overriding, sorry, here first I'll create another class. Let's name this as method overriding. Okay, select this and then click on finish. So now we have created a class of method overriding. Here I want to add another class. Can I add it? Of course, yes. So I'll create another class. Let's name it as class A. Okay, and in this class A, I will write one method which is like public void. Let's state it as display. Okay, so this is a simple method and I'll just add one print statement. I'll say this is a display method. So in simple words, if I want to access this particular method, I can simply create an object of the class A and I can directly access this method display printed. Let's see that. Let's say A, let's name it as A1 is equal to new A. And we can access this using A1 dot display method. So if I run this, I'm able to access this. But let's say there is another class. Let's name this as class B. Okay. And in this class, I can just access this method, right? How can I access this method using class B? I can simply extend this, extends A. So by this, we are extending the properties of method A to method B. I can simply create an object of class B and also I can access this. Let's create a B object. Let's name this as B1. Okay. And with this also I'll be able to access it. Okay. Because I have extended it. So it is a parent and child relation, right? This is a parent class and this is a subclass. And I'm able to access it perfectly fine. But what if the method I'm writing in class B, I want to alter the statement. Okay, I don't want to use this statement. Instead of that, I want to define it something differently. So what can I do at that time is here comes the concept of method overriding in Java. So if I copy the same, okay, I'll rather change something. This is a method. This method is displaying. Okay, let's state it as this method is displaying. Okay, now if I execute, which uh, method it should execute then? Let's see that. So it executed this method, but this class is having access to parent class, class A as well. But still, it is able to override the method which is in class A, and it was successfully able to access the method which is written in class B. And this concept is known as method overriding. What happened is, even though it has access to class A, Okay, and it will be perfectly able to access that, and it could have executed that. But here what happened is the Java provides an efficient way to override that particular parent class method, and with that method we are able to uh, um, you know, execute the method which is present in the extended class, which is class B or the subclass. So this property is called as runtime polymorphism. And also there are certain criterias you have to remember, because these are the things that is important while you define the method overriding. So some of the rules are that, so here it should have a parent and child relationship where we have extended it, right? And a constructor cannot be overridden. This is also one of the rule you have to follow, okay, to remember basically. And if you have a final keyword attached to a particular method, then that method cannot be overridden. Okay. And a method which is also defined as static, that also cannot be overridden. Okay. So these are some of the things that you have to keep in mind before overriding any particular method. Also, you must notice that we have used the same method name as in whatever is present in the parent class. So this is what makes it overriding, right? So this is all about method overriding in Java. If you have liked this video, please do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.